For our final trade of the day, we are checking in with Chris Vermuelen, the founder of Technical Traders. Hello to you, Chris. And what are you trading with this election situation happening?
Yeah, well, we're looking for the best assets that are going to take the charge into year end. And I think these sectors are going to do well no matter who gets elected. And really the leader, the best looking chart, the strongest sector right now are the silver miner juniors. SILJ is the symbol. It's an ETF that carries a basket. They look prime and ready for actually around a 60% gain from where they are. So very exciting setup. Another sector looking hot are the solar sector. They've done really well this year. They're starting to outperform again already in the last couple sessions, and they're on the verge of breaking out to new highs again. So that is one to keep your eyes on. And another is the really beat up the oil services sector. Now, this has been one of the worst performing sectors this year. Oil has been under pressure, and we're really seeing this sector put in a major bottoming formation. It's starting to show signs of strength. Actually, in the last 10 sessions, it's up almost 20% alone, on the verge of breaking out of a very bullish bottoming pattern. And when it does break that level, potentially this coming week, I think we could see a really big move in that sector because it's got a lot to play catch up to get back to where the rest of the market is.
Let's break this down a little bit more. Where do you get in and where do you get out, starting with your silver trade?
Right. So the silver miners, the SILJ, really across the board for gold miners and silver miners, they're starting to break out. They broke out more or less last week. Silver miners are really kind of a buy signal right now. If this can hold up for more than a few sessions above the falling trend line of this bull flag pattern that has formed, really it is a trade right now that has started. So that's kind of the one that's already kind of leaving the station. The other two sectors like solar, they still have a little bit more work to do. They need to break to some new highs along with the oil services sector. They're not quite there yet, but they are showing all the signs of being a leading sector into the year end.
In oil services, you are trading OIH. What are you trading in solar?
So the solar sector ETF is TAN, the TAN, and that is kind of the one that holds the basket of the majority of really leading solar stocks. And there's another solar clean energy ETF, PBW as well, which carries a basket of those. And clean energy and solar both have been doing exceptionally well. It's interesting because clean energy are the two leading sectors on the entire year, while dirty energy like uranium and crude have been the worst performing. So it's pretty interesting how there's that big divergence in clean and dirty energy this year.
Thank you, Chris, and we hope to have you back.
All right, thanks, Angela. We'll take care. Thanks.
More Business First AM. Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.